This is Mama Mish, and today in my magic kitchen, crab Rangoon Dip. It's always dip season. I mean, seriously, think about it. Everyone loves a good dip, and a good dip is something that everyone should be serving at all their gatherings. Summer, winter, indoor, outdoor, all the holiday and game day parties. Crab Rangoon Dip is the perfect addition to your dip rotation. It'll be requested for you to make and serve at all future events you host or attend. Listen to me. And Lord, I wish you would try to make it to the end of a video, but still, listen to me. Make the wonton chips in the air fryer and serve with Thai sweet chili sauce. Next level. Your guests will think you went all out, and it's one of the simplest recipes to ever exist. Let me make your fucking kitchen magic, will ya? Okay, so I've never seen a recipe ask for this, but I'm telling you, it's gonna make it so amazing. A little sweet Thai chili. Yes. It's really good. Want some? Come here. Everybody wants to see you.
Nobody wants to.
You want some of this? I'm a tease. Yep. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? See? Telling y'all, don't skimp on this Thai sweet chili oil when you make your crab Rangoon dip. Makes it dippity-doo-dah-yay. Let's see.